I always prided myself on being in tune with my body. As a yoga instructor, mindfulness was my mantra, and I believed I had a handle on my health. But when spring rolled around, I found myself battling relentless sneezing fits, itchy eyes, and a stuffy nose that just wouldn't quit. It was as if my own body had turned against me, reacting to the very environment I cherished. At first, I brushed it off as a minor inconvenience, attributing it to the changing seasons. But as days turned into weeks, my symptoms intensified, affecting my classes and daily interactions. I felt drained, both physically and emotionally, and the over-the-counter antihistamines offered little relief, often leaving me drowsy and disconnected. Desperate for a solution, I delved into research, seeking alternatives to the conventional treatments that seemed to be failing me. Ellen's insights were a revelation. She explained how traditional Chinese medicine views seasonal allergies not just as an external affliction, but as an indication of internal imbalances. By strengthening the body's defenses and addressing these imbalances, one could alleviate and even prevent the severity of allergic reactions. She emphasized the role of nutrition, suggesting that certain foods could either exacerbate or ease allergy symptoms. For instance, incorporating foods rich in quercetin, like onions and apples, could act as natural antihistamines, while reducing dairy and processed sugars might decrease mucus production and inflammation. Motivated by Ellen's guidance, I began to make conscious changes to my diet and lifestyle. I introduced more anti-inflammatory foods, such as ginger and turmeric, into my meals and practiced specific breathing exercises to strengthen my respiratory system. Additionally, I explored acupuncture, a modality Ellen discussed, which aimed to restore balance and promote better immune responses. Over time, I noticed a significant improvement. The sneezing subsided, my energy levels rebounded, and I felt more connected to my body than ever before. It was empowering to realize that, through mindful choices and a deeper understanding of my body's needs, I could navigate the challenges of seasonal allergies without solely relying on pharmaceuticals. That's when I stumbled upon episode 142 of the Burn It Nutrition podcast, where host Joseph Navarro interviews Ellen Goldsmith, a seasoned expert in Chinese medicine and nutrition. Intrigued by the promise of a holistic approach to managing seasonal allergies, I decided to give it a listen. If my journey resonates with you and you're seeking alternative ways to manage seasonal allergies, I highly recommend tuning into episode 142 of the Burn It Nutrition podcast. Joseph's conversation with Ellen Goldsmith offers invaluable insights that could transform your approach to health and well-being. You can listen to the full episode at burnitnutrition.com/podcast 142 or find it on iTunes or Spotify under Burn It Nutrition. And before you go, let's talk about one of the simplest yet most powerful upgrades to your health: hydration. Most people think hydration is just about drinking water, but the key is electrolyte balance. That is why I use Element electrolytes daily. With the right mix of sodium, potassium, and magnesium, your body functions at its best. It keeps me hydrated, supports my workouts, and improves recovery. Right now, Element is offering a free sample pack with any purchase. Just go to drinkelement.com/burnit to grab yours. Remember, understanding and addressing the root causes of our health challenges can lead to profound transformations. Take the first step by educating yourself and exploring holistic approaches. Listen to the full episode at burnitnutrition.com, podcast 142, and embark on your journey toward better health today.